How TeccWeb helps with AI in Epicor. AI projects have a habit of showing up in the middle of something else. A system review, an upgrade, an optimization project. Suddenly, there's a whole additional workload that wasn't in the original scope. That's where TeccWeb comes in. We help Epicor users and partners manage the practical side of AI initiatives. That means reviewing whether the Epicor environment is actually ready for AI, supporting the reporting and integration work that needs to happen first, and helping run proof of concept testing so teams can validate the approach before rolling it out. We're not here to take over the client relationship. We're here to handle the delivery work so the project keeps moving. If you're looking at an AI initiative tied to Epicor and need a practical partner to help execute it, that's exactly what we do. Get in touch at TeccWeb.com/contact. Link below the page.